Hello guys, good evening. Hello guys. Now we are going to see a new topic in screen. Okay, screen is a separate application. Okay, you need to install this application in your Linux machine. Okay, this is provided my ability to launch multiple cell sessions. Okay, in single SSH server, I mean single server, you can create multiple cell session. Okay, because it's a help for some background operations. If you are inactive, that time also the session will be available. Okay, it's active also. So we can execute some process in that cell session. Okay, it's always running background, so it's also help for us. For example, sometime we are trying to take a big database dump, or we are trying to restore some database. This is also help for us. For example, if you have a 1 TB database, okay, you already took a backup using extra backup. Okay, it's compression method. Okay, for example, you will take 1 TB database, it's the compression method. So now you are trying to restore the database into new server. Okay, but before that you need to decompress that backup, right? So the decompression process it take more than minimum 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, so you cannot wait a long time in the same screen. So you have some other work also, so you need to concentrate about that also. So if you are using screen option, you can run it decompression process in background, so you don't need to wait until it's complete. Okay, so it will be always running in background. Once it's finished, you can start up next process, so it's save our time. So okay guys, you could understand, I think. Okay, I'm going to install screen first. Okay, already I installed, just install and install screen. Okay, already I did it. So already I installed, this is the installation command. Okay, next I'm going to create one screen session. Okay, screen -s new screen. Yes, dba class. Okay, dba class is our screen name. Okay, I create a new screen. Now it's come into separate session. Okay, cell session. Okay, so I'm going to log in mysql database. Don't use your password in command line. Okay, okay, currently I check here how many process list. I think around I have a 4 login sessions, like 1 2 3, including cell session also. So I can see 4 sessions, and here also this is also inactive, but recently it's inactive, so it's still showing here. Okay, so I have a 5 sessions around. Okay, so I want to run this process in backend. Okay, so I'm going to detach this session. You need to use this command ctrl+a+d. Okay, ctrl+a+d, you need to press the same time. Your session will be detached. Okay, it means it's running the background. Okay, so now I want to see which cell sessions are running background. So ctrl+la, ctrl+ls also, ls. Currently I have 3 sessions are running background. DBA class Pradeep Shiva. Okay, so I want to log in my previous cell session. Okay, I'm going to log in Pradeep. Okay, Pradeep. Okay, now I logged in. Already I used this commands and everything in this section, so it's showing here. Now I'm going to log in again. Okay, use testdb. Okay, now I'm going to detach this. Okay, again I'm going to log in DBA class. Now I'm going to check the process. Okay, you can remember last time we used test database, right? So it's showing which database we are using in the last session and everything we can see here, which sessions are logged in our server, everything we can see here. Okay guys, next I'm going to terminate this session. Control D, control, if you press Control D, the screen will be terminating. Okay, terminator. That's it guys. This will help you a lot. Okay guys, we will see next videos in Percona online schema. I will update you shortly. Okay guys, thank you everyone.